everybody, it's Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi. I have a question for you. If you had to make a choice between having massive impact on people's lives or having real financial freedom, which would you pick? Well, the truth is you don't have to choose because there's an industry that's been growing. It's now $1 billion a day that between the two of us, we've got over 70 years experience in. And that today you can enter in for almost nothing using AI at a speed and a tempo and a level of quality that has never existed in humanity. This is a once in a generation opportunity. And we're going to share you how to do this for no charge. May 15th to 17th, the Thrive in 2025 virtual live event.
If you've ever been to any of our live events in the last 5 years, I promise you this is going to be unlike anything we've ever done before. It's less of an event and more of a state of the union because the game has changed completely. What took Tony and I years, 30 years ago, what took us months just a year ago, now takes minutes. We're going to show you how to compress time, use our 70 plus years of experience, and get in the game fast. I love you've been saying ticket to freedom.
Yeah, that's what it means.
We say that not with hyperbole, but saying we wish we had the tools that we have available to now. So if you're ready for more, if you know you're meant to do something bigger, more impact, success in the outside world and success internally,
join us May 15th through the 17th for the Thrive in 2025 live event.
It's not kind of free. It's totally free. Mark it in your calendar, bring a friend, and we'll see you there.
Don't miss out. You'll be curious to discover what's really possible. I know a lot of things get hyped out there. There's no hype here. This is the real thing. You're entering a time in history where the tools available to you can allow you to do things that you never dreamed possible. And we're going to show you exactly how in those 3 days. Click below and we'll serve you then.